What's up, my YouTube friends? Down here in Baltimore. It's the last day. Well, I think we're done with the sweeper for now. There's going to be some little bit of project work, but for the most part, she's done. Let's go take a look at her. Come on. So it's a little dark. You can see. New windows in. They look nice. Better than the last time. Just plexiglass screwed in there. Pretty much all done, man. Say restored that cool signal up front. Yeah, right there. That red signal. Cool. Like a little brake light, I guess. I don't know. She's going to go out on the line soon. I'll take some video of her out on the line coming around the loop. And so I had a visitor today. Our buddy Ray Boble, he came by. I didn't shoot no video. I wanted to go on video vacation, but I need to shoot some video of this car done, because I really don't have anything done like this. Got photos of it, but not done. See you out on the line somewhere. A lot of cars out today. We got 5 cars out today. So this is up at the loop, the other end. This is 28th Street. You'll see the loop there. A piece of track equipment. Mr. PCC up there. That pole in the way, cut it down. So that is a Baltimore car, Philadelphia car, Philadelphia car. So they want to do some photos up here and whatnot. He's pulling out. And the Philly cars will take over.